Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to edit your public profile on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Next, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon, which is located in the top left corner of the screen. Once your profile page loads, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled My Public Profile. Tap on this option to access your public profile settings and begin making changes. This is your starting point for customizing your presence on Snapchat. Now that you're on your public profile, let's customize the details. Tap the Edit Profile button to modify your display name and add a compelling biography. Your bio can be up to 150 characters long, so make it count. You can also include a location or a website link, which is a great way to share more about yourself or your brand. Remember, these details help others understand who you are and what you share. Next, let's manage the visual content on your profile. From the Edit Profile screen, select Photos and Videos. Here, you can choose to feature up to 4 of your best spotlight or story posts. These will be prominently displayed on your public profile. You can easily add new content, rearrange the order of your existing photos and videos, or remove any that you no longer wish to showcase. This helps you curate your best work. Finally, let's look at privacy and visibility. From your main profile page, tap the gear icon to access settings. Here, you can review and adjust who can view your public profile and your public stories. You also have the option to decide whether to display your subscriber count to others. Take a moment to ensure these settings align with your preferences, giving you full control over your public presence on Snapchat. It's important to manage your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.